The second subunit is decision-making applying marginal analysis. The accounting concept of costs includes only explicit costs, those that represent actual outlays of cash, the allocation of outlays of cash, or commitments to pay cash. Examples include the incurrence of payables, the satisfaction of payables, and the recognition of depreciation. The economic concept of costs includes both explicit and implicit costs. Explicit costs are those requiring actual cash disbursements. For this reason, they are sometimes called out-of-pocket or outlay costs. Implicit costs are opportunity costs, i.e., the maximum benefit foregone by using a scarce resource for a given purpose and not for the next best alternative. The true hurdle for an economic decision is whether the revenues from the venture will cover all costs, both explicit and implicit. Accounting profits are earned when the book income of an organization exceeds the book expenses. Economic profits are a significantly higher hurdle. They are not earned until the organization's income exceeds not only costs as recorded in the accounting records, but also the firm's implicit costs. Economic profit is also called pure profit. In decision-making, an organization must focus on only relevant revenues and costs. To be relevant, the revenues and costs must 1. Be made in the future. Costs that have already been incurred, or to which the organization is committed, called sunk costs, have no bearing on any future decisions. And 2. They must differ among the possible alternative courses of action. Only avoidable costs are relevant. An avoidable cost may be saved by not adopting a particular option. An unavoidable cost is one that cannot be avoided if a particular action is taken. For example, if a company has a long-term lease on a building, closing out the business in that building will not eliminate the need to pay rent. Thus, the rent is an unavoidable cost. Marginal analysis, also known as differential or incremental analysis, is typically used when the problem involves choices among courses of action.